kids! Today, we will learn about vehicles' name. Let's start. This is a dump truck. It carries sand, stones, and dirt. This is a bulldozer. It pushes soil and rocks away. This is a hot air balloon. It flies in the sky with hot air. This is a submarine. It goes deep under the sea. This is a ship. It sails on the ocean, carrying people and goods. This is a boat. It floats on water for short trips. This is a rocket. It blasts into space. This is a helicopter. It flies up and down with spinning blades. This is a tram. It runs on tracks inside the city. This is a subway. It runs underground like a train. This is a train. It runs on long tracks, carrying many people. This is a tractor. It helps farmers work in the fields. This is a van. It carries people and goods together. This is a taxi. It takes people to their places. This is a fire truck. It helps put out fires quickly. This is a police car. It keeps the city safe. This is an ambulance. It takes sick people to the hospital. This is a scooter. It is small and easy to ride. This is a bicycle. It has 2 wheels and is fun to ride. This is a motorcycle. It goes fast on 2 wheels. This is a truck. It carries heavy loads. This is a bus. It takes many people to school or work. This is a car. It is a family vehicle for travel. This is a rickshaw. It carries people for short rides. This is a skateboard. It rolls on wheels and is fun to ride. This is a roller skates. They help you move smoothly on the ground. This is a cable car. It hangs on a wire and moves on mountains. This is a spaceship. It travels far away in space.